Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So guys, I'm here with a new video, and in this video I'm going to tell about a new feature that WhatsApp has launched, and you can activate this feature on your Android. And this is for the security, but keep in mind that I'm going to tell you that how to activate this feature and how to use this feature. But if you will activate this fingerprint feature, keep in mind that if incoming calls will bypass this feature, you can still answer the calls, and the calls will appear on your screen without if it's a fingerprint feature is on or off, it doesn't matter, so it will bypass. What you need to do, first of all, you need to go to Play Store, and you need to go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, I have updated WhatsApp Messenger, and after updating, you need to open this feature. You need to open WhatsApp, and you can see it's all activate updated details. And let me go down updates, and if I scroll down, let me scroll down here, recently updated, you can see WhatsApp Messenger. So I will open this WhatsApp Messenger, and what you need to do, you need to first of all go to settings. When you will go to the settings, you need to go to account setting, and once you will go to account setting, you need to click on privacy. When you can change here last seen, profile photo, about, status, read receipt, live location, block contacts, and here you can see fingerprint lock, it's disabled right now. Click on it, and you can see unlock with fingerprint. When enable, you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is logged, as I have mentioned earlier. So it will incoming calls will bypass this feature. Let's on this touch the fingerprint. Let me touch yes, and you can see here automatically log, giving me options immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. Only three options are available. And another option is show content in notification, preview sender and message text inside new message notification. So you can on and off according to your need, and according to your privacy. You can handle, you can use this option. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.